Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to talk about the most common issues some users face while trying to connect to the Citrix applications. So they see an error message. It says something like Citrix Workspace App error 518. Especially when users are working on their Chromebooks, they come across this error message. So there are a couple of solutions that I would like to provide to fix this problem. The very first thing is you have to make sure that you have installed Citrix Workspace for Chrome application but not Android. So some users, what they do is they try to download and install Citrix Workspace for Android instead of Citrix Workspace for Chrome app. So when they do that, they come across this problem. So please make sure that you have downloaded and installed Citrix Workspace for Chrome app, not Android app. So this is the first thing you have to check. If you are sure that you have installed Citrix Workspace for Chrome app and you are facing this problem, in this scenario, what you can do is you can go to Google, Play Store and try to download the latest version of Citrix Workspace and install it on your Chromebook and see if it helps to resolve the issue. So this is another thing that you can test and see if it works. If you still face the same problem, then what you can do is you can try to update your Chrome browser as well. Okay, so it's not just in updating the Citrix Workspace app. You should also update you should also update Google Chrome browser as well to the latest version and try to connect to the Citrix applications and see how it goes. Okay, it should hopefully help to resolve this issue. You should be able to connect to the Citrix applications without any problem. Okay, please try this couple of steps. It should help. But at any point in time, if you still have any questions, you can always leave a comment. All right, thank you for watching.